Hey guys, it's Erin. Today I am back with some nail art inspired by Scarlet Witch from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Now that Wanda is officially the Scarlet Witch after WandaVision, she has this really cool crown tiara thing, and I'm really excited to see her in the new Doctor Strange movie, so I wanted to do some nails inspired by that headpiece. I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all of my nails. Then I want a kind of a sheer base, so I'm taking two different OPI colors. This one is called Funny Bunny and it's a sheer white. And then I'm putting one coat of Bubble Bath over it to create this kind of sheer milky white base. Then I'm taking a red nail polish and a really small brush and I'm painting a line down each sidewall of my nail. Then I'm kind of creating a curvy line going into the center of my nail, kind of like an M shape, to be the center of the headpiece. Connect those two lines with a small semicircle in the center. And then for the bottom of the headpiece, I'm adding two more semicircles and making sure that the center of the headpiece comes down to these two little points right in between her eyebrows. Then you want to fill in that shape with the red nail polish. It really helps to look at a picture while doing this. That's what I did, and it really helped me get the right shape. And once that's dry, I'm taking a super deep dark red, almost a black red, and I'm adding some small lines as details to the headpiece where there are shadows. Again, looking at a picture really helps this process. Once everything is dry, apply a layer of top coat, and there you have your Scarlet Witch inspired nails. I think Wanda is such a cool and powerful character. I'm really happy with how these nails turned out. Be sure to let me know in the comments who your favorite Marvel character is. Maybe I'll end up doing a video for them too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.